Here's a Nissan Sentra. Let's get started. The light's over there. The way to access it, we have to pop the trunk. Now we need to get the light out of the body. For that, we have to peel this carpet back. And for that, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Put it right over there and pull the middle part of the clip out. It may be a little bit hard and it may take a few seconds, so be patient with this. Once the middle part of the clip is out, just grab the entire clip and then pull it out straight. And out it comes. Once it's out, just set it aside. Repeat the process for the other two clips over there, second and third. And now you'll be able to peel this back. Now the reason why you have to get the light out, because if you try to access the bulb from over here straight, you will not be able to. It may look like the bulb's gonna come loose and come out, but it won't. So all you have to do is just get 4 nuts off. 1, 2, 3 and 4. All of them are 10mm nuts, so you need a 10mm socket ratchet combination to get them all off one by one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Take it out and set it aside. Now get that ratchet and then use that to sort of pop on the studs. Give it a little tap, it'll come right out. Good. Now the light's out, turn it around, and that gives you comfortable access to the bulb. That's the bulb holder for the inner tail light bulb. Just grab it and twist it left a little bit. That's it, just a little bit to loosen it. It may be a little bit tight, so be patient. It may take a few seconds, but see, that's it. Now it's loose. There you go. At this point, just grab it and pull it out, and out it comes. Just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb number is 194. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you're putting it back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops right in, just like this. See, now it's sitting in properly. Just twist your right to lock it, and now you're done. Once you're done, just put this light back in. Again, there are 3 studs in the back and 1 outside, so 4 of them in total. Put them all through the holes over there. Get the light back in. Let's go ahead and pull those 4 nuts back on. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then let's tighten it down using the socket ratchet combination. Now you have to make sure the middle part of this clip is pulled out. So you may have to do this, like pull it out, make sure it's out. Good. And then just put the clip back into the hole over there, and then push the middle part in to secure it. Repeat the process for the other 2 clips. Again, push the middle part in to secure it. Good. And that's it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for the entire inventory.